Dear friends, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we dive into the world of generative adversarial networks, explore the freemium model strategy, and learn how Figma improved user notifications. Stay tuned for an engaging discussion on these topics. What makes generative adversarial networks, or GANs, a breakthrough in the field of AI? Today, we dive into the realms of GANs, exploring their structure, functionality, and the impressive capability they have to generate realistic data across various domains, especially in image processing. GANs mark a significant advancement in how machines understand and recreate the complexities of the world around us. At the heart of GANs, we find a fascinating approach to machine learning known as generative modeling. This unsupervised learning task focuses on discovering and learning patterns within input data to a degree that allows the model to generate new examples that could believably belong to the original dataset. Imagine a machine that, after studying thousands of images of cats, can generate a new image of a cat that looks real but has never existed before. That's generative modeling in action. The genius of GANs lies in their unique architecture, which consists of two competing models, the generator and the discriminator. The generator's objective is to create data so convincing that the discriminator cannot tell whether it's real or fake. On the other side, the discriminator learns to distinguish between genuine data and the fabrications created by the generator. This adversarial process, a kind of zero-sum game, continues until the discriminator is fooled about half the time, indicating that the generator's output is indistinguishable from real data. This method of training allows GANs to produce extraordinarily realistic outputs, making significant strides in tasks like image-to-image translation. Think turning a summer landscape into a winter wonderland or altering day scenes to night. The potential applications are vast, from enhancing photorealism to generating new designs, artwork, and even realistic-looking human faces that never belonged to an actual person. The inception of GANs can be traced back to a 2014 paper by Ian Goodfellow and his colleagues. Since then, the field has seen rapid advancements, including the development of deep convolutional generative adversarial networks, or DC-GANs, which provided a more stable model for training GANs and opened new doors for their application. Delving deeper into the mechanics, the generator model of a GAN begins with a random vector from a Gaussian distribution, which serves as a seed for generating samples within the domain. This vector is part of what's known as the latent space, a kind of compressed representation of the data distribution. Over time, as the GAN trains, the generator learns to map points from this latent space to generate new, diverse, and plausible examples. On the flip side, the discriminator model, which starts off as a standard classification model, is tasked with distinguishing between real and generated data. Throughout the training process, it refines its ability to identify fakes, while the generator continuously improves its capacity to produce more convincing fakes. What's particularly intriguing about GANs is the way they are trained. The process resembles a two-player game where both the generator and discriminator are in a constant tug-of-war, each trying to outsmart the other. This adversarial training method is not only innovative, but also remarkably effective in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with generative models. While the excitement around GANs is well-deserved, it's also crucial to approach their development and use with a sense of responsibility. The ability to generate realistic images, videos, or audio can have far-reaching implications, including the creation of deep fakes that could mislead or cause harm. As we continue to explore the potential of GANs, ethical considerations and safeguards should be at the forefront of this technological advancement. In conclusion, generative adversarial networks represent a significant leap forward in the field of AI, offering a powerful tool for generating realistic examples across a wide range of domains. As we stand on the brink of what seems like a new era of generative modeling, It's exciting to imagine the innovations and applications that GANs will bring to the table. From transforming the way we create and interact with digital content to advancing scientific research, the journey of GANs is only just beginning. Now let's explore the freemium model, a widely adopted strategy in the tech industry. How does the freemium model, a blend of free and premium services, become a cornerstone strategy for internet startups and smartphone app developers? And what are the essential questions these companies must address to ensure its effectiveness and sustainability? In this podcast, we explore the intricacies of making freemium work, drawing from real-world examples and providing insights into the strategic considerations behind this popular business model. The freemium model has reshaped the landscape of digital services, allowing users to enjoy basic features at no cost while offering richer functionality for a subscription fee. This approach has been widely adopted by a variety of companies, from LinkedIn and Dropbox to Hulu and Match.com, proving its versatility across both B2C and B2B domains. The appeal of freemium lies in its ability to serve as a potent marketing tool, enabling new ventures to scale up and attract a user base without heavy investments in advertising or a traditional sales force. However, despite its widespread popularity, the freemium model is often misunderstood and fraught with challenges. Many startups have stumbled in their attempts to leverage freemium effectively, underscoring the need for a deeper understanding and careful strategic planning. Through extensive research, including a case study on the New York Times' paywall strategy and an analysis of user data from a storage and synchronization company, 6 critical questions have emerged for startups contemplating a freemium model. First, determining what should be free is a delicate balancing act. The goal is to attract new users with compelling free offerings while ensuring that the premium features are enticing enough to justify a subscription fee. For instance, the New York Times initially offered 20 free articles per month before realizing that reducing this number to 10 would foster a better balance between free access and subscription incentives. Startups must be prepared to fine-tune their offerings to strike the optimal balance. Second, the clarity of the premium offer is crucial. Dropbox's straightforward proposition, free cloud-based storage with the option to pay for additional space, contrasts sharply with LinkedIn's more nuanced premium subscriptions. The clearer the benefits of upgrading, the higher the likelihood of conversion from free to paid users. The target conversion rate is another vital consideration. While a 1% conversion rate might be too low, aiming for a moderate rate, generally between 2% to 5%, coupled with high traffic volume, tends to be a more sustainable strategy. This underscores the importance of not only attracting users, but also converting a meaningful proportion into paying customers. Understanding the conversion life cycle is also essential. Initial conversion rates may be higher among early adopters, but can decline as the user base expands. Freemium companies need to anticipate this dynamic and plan for the evolving cost of servicing a growing number of free users. Encouraging users to become evangelists for the product amplifies the value of the freemium model. Satisfied users can draw in new members, some of whom will become subscribers. Effective management of referral incentives and communication can significantly enhance the impact of word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, a commitment to ongoing innovation is vital. Companies like Dropbox have continually added new features and improved their offerings, increasing the value of their premium services and keeping users engaged. Viewing freemium not just as a customer acquisition tool, but as a commitment to innovation ensures that the model remains dynamic and responsive to users' evolving needs. Now let's explore how Figma's data scientist Caitlin Huden and researcher Jennifer Sanders use data to enhance user notifications. How do you turn a myriad of data points and user feedback into actionable insights that can significantly improve a product? This is the question that Figma's data scientist Caitlin Hewden and researcher Jennifer Sanders tackled head-on, demonstrating the power of combining quantitative data with qualitative research to enhance user experience. Today, we'll delve into their journey, uncovering how they transformed insights into impactful product improvements, particularly in the realm of notifications. At the heart of their strategy was the metaphor of weaving, with quantitative data as the warp and qualitative insights as the weft, interlacing to form a comprehensive understanding of user interactions with notifications. Initially, the duo discovered a glaring issue. Most users weren't receiving notifications at all. This revelation set the stage for a deeper exploration into creating more effective alert types and rethinking notification distribution. Figma notifications serve as a crucial tool for collaboration, offering alerts for various activities such as comments, mentions, and invitations. Despite this, the activity team, responsible for fostering collaboration within Figma, was unaware of where to focus their efforts within the notification funnel. By dividing their investigation between data analysis and user research, Caitlin and Jennifer embarked on a journey to unveil a narrative greater than the sum of its parts. Their process was iterative, with each discovery leading to new questions. For instance, while quantitative data showed low engagement with email notifications, Jennifer's interviews indicated a heavy reliance on them for staying on top of work. This contradiction led Caitlin to segment the data by user type, revealing that designers on team accounts were significantly more engaged with email notifications than those on personal accounts. This insight highlighted the importance of tailoring notification strategies to different user groups. One key finding from their research was the underutilization of the notification bell in Figma's file browser, largely due to its inconspicuous placement and users' workflow habits. Many users preferred to start their day by checking their email inboxes for a comprehensive view of new activities across platforms, often missing notifications in Figma altogether. This led to the strategic decision to relocate the notification bell to a more prominent position and improve the content and reach of notifications. The insights gained from Caitlin and Jennifer's collaboration resulted in tangible improvements to the notification system, including the introduction of new notification types and the expansion of alert recipients to include file editors in addition to owners. This change ensured that all contributors remained informed about relevant updates, fostering better collaboration. Their cross-functional approach also facilitated a deeper understanding of user behavior, allowing them to present their findings effectively to the broader team and influence the product roadmap significantly. By pairing quantitative data with real user quotes, they were able to communicate the urgency and relevance of their recommendations more compellingly. Caitlin and Jennifer's partnership exemplifies the value of having dedicated collaborators who can provide comprehensive context and insights into specific areas of research. Their work underscores the importance of not only collecting diverse data, but also investing the time and effort to synthesize and act upon it. As Jennifer pointed out, the differentiation in their results was not just in gathering insights quickly, but in ensuring those insights had a meaningful impact. Through their meticulous process, Caitlin and Jennifer showcased how blending quantitative and qualitative research can uncover unexpected opportunities for improvement, even in areas as seemingly straightforward as notifications. Their story serves as a powerful reminder of the potential for cross-functional teams to drive significant product enhancements by deeply understanding and addressing user needs. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlight Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlight Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.